Hello, Sam here. In this video, we will looking at how to do keyword research 2020. That is keyword research for YouTube. I'll be revealing a keyword research tool that has been recommended by some big YouTubers to boost channel growth. And because access to this tool is strictly by invitation, I'll be leaving an invitation link in the description below so that you can access this tool for 1 whole month free of charge. So welcome back. The keyword tool I'm going to show you is known as Morningfame. I have tried it and I must say it's like nothing you've seen before. If you are looking for how to do keyword research 2020 effortlessly or simply keyword research for YouTube, then Morningfame is for you. Morningfame has been used by key YouTubers and they have recommended that Morningfame is very good, especially as a beginner with YouTube. People like Brian G. Johnson of Brian G. Johnson TV, Meredith Marsh, and many others have recommended Morningfame keyword tool. So let's see how Morningfame actually works. So this is the interface of Morningfame keyword tool for you right here. It gives you 3 ways to do keyword research. The first is by recommending videos by others who are in the same niche with you. So what Morningfame does is that it takes videos from people in the same niche with you to give you suggestions, to give you inspiration so that you can copy exactly as they are doing or you get inspiration to make similar videos for your own channel. I've never seen this anywhere before. The other step is to simply put in a keyword here, then search for it. So for instance, let's say how to do keyword research. Okay, so this is what my search term has brought. So what Morningfame does is that it highlights your main keyword. You see there's a double tick there. The double tick simply means that the keyword is also searchable on Google, or it's a keyword that is ranking on Google as well. Then we have the common keywords, which they say is great choices for what? Larger channels. It means that this keyword right here are very competitive and it's for larger channels. The uncommon keywords, they say is great choice for what? Smaller channels. So if you're a small channel, you shouldn't go this to the left, you rather go to the right. Select your keywords. We also have some top ranking videos for you based on the keyword I inputted. So you can look at their tags and either you pick a keyword from the tag, or you go straight to the main keyword, choose step 3. Then it brings you to another level of the keyword research. So this here is the score for your keyword. Then over here, we see some interesting metrics as well. We have 4 different metrics. We have subscribers, views, likes and comments, and relevance. So subscribers here, Morningfame compares your channel subscribers with the minimum number of subscribers for this keyword. Then looks at your channel views plus compared to the minimum views this keyword gets on YouTube. The same applies to likes and comments. Then the relevance simply means how optimized is this keyword, how many videos have optimized this keyword very well. And by optimization, I mean how many videos have used the keyword in their title, in their description, and in their tags. This tells us how well optimized the keyword is and how relevant it is to YouTube. So you notice that for this keyword, I have 3 Fs and a C, which means that I shouldn't target this keyword. Okay, when you read here, Morningfame says that the least you should be targeting for this 3 is a D. Then for relevancy should be at least a B. Then you can go ahead and target it. Okay, now if we scroll down through these videos, we have something we call the gateway video. Now you notice the gateway video simply means the video that has optimized this keyword to perfection. Okay, so how to do keyword research is in his title. Then step keyword research tutorial. So the term keyword is also in his description as well. Okay, so that makes this video the gateway video. It is well optimized to be used. So assuming we agree to go further with this keyword, we choose step 4. Then already we have a warning. It tells us the competition is too high. So if we assume we ignore the warning and go ahead. So we have the optimization phase where we are to optimize our metadata. So here what Morningfame does is to guide you as to how to optimize your metadata for your video. So we have your title. You see that automatically it has imputed the keyword phrase here. So you can add whatever you want to add next. Then you come to the description, where it's also advised to input the exact keyword phrase in your description as well. So how to do keyword research. So as I've added the keyword to my description, you notice that there's been a change with the relevance score. Okay, now let's move to tags. So Morningfame suggests some tags for you straightforward. Those you see with the cross red signal here means they are not searchable. They are not searchable key terms that are searchable on YouTube. So you can easily take them out. Okay. Now you notice that I have my exact key term in the tags as well. So you can click on the suggest. The Morningfame automatically suggests what key terms for you as well. So I pick this, how to do keyword research for blog, how to do keyword research on Google AdWords, how to do keyword research for free, how to do keyword research for SEO, how to do keyword research for YouTube, how to do keyword research with Google Planner, how to do keyword for niche sites, and so forth and so on. So with this, my video is properly optimized. The reason why we still have a C and the relevance is that there's a keen competition with this keyword. Assuming the competition was less, relevance score should have been an A, but because the competition is very serious here, that is why we are still on a C. Okay, then when we move down, Morningfame helps us with our thumbnail. It brings out the top videos on YouTube. Then what we have to do is to compare these with the thumbnail we have created. Will our thumbnail stand out? Don't forget that your thumbnail contributes to your click-through rate as well. So this is, you can, after that you can click here and save what you've done. So that is one way of doing keyword research with Morningfame. So another way is simply to come to the search tab directly and type keyword, research for YouTube. Okay. keyword research for YouTube. So here we see there's difference in the metrics, though we still have Fs, 3 Fs, but here the relevancy is a B, which means that we can optimize our video to what? Be the gateway video in this case. So this is what we have here. The gateway video is here. So when we go ahead, competition is too high, we ignore it. So the key set term is already in the title. So we'll add it to our description. Keyword research. For YouTube. Then we add it to our tag as well. Suggested. So just click on the tags with the higher score. You notice that they have different score. This is 4%, this is 9%, this is 10%. So your aim is to go for the tags with the higher score. Okay. So if you've seen the changes that has occurred under the relevancy here. So although this keyword is also very competitive, but the average video, the gateway video, had a relevancy score of 52. And one other one had a relevancy score of 55. But with the way I have optimized my metadata here, I now have a relevance score of 100%, which means if I go ahead and create a video with this keyword and use this metadata here, my video is going to be the gateway video automatically. Okay, so this is Morningfame for you, and very easy to do keyword research. So it helps you to determine which keyword is competitive. It tells you how relevant the relevancy score among the videos there. Then it goes further to help you optimize your video. So you don't have to do it. It helps you select the tags to use in your video, all free of charge, as you can see. I didn't have to search for my own tags. Though there's an option to search for it, but just click on suggested, it recommends for you. You put it in and you are done. Very easy. So that's Morningfame for you. I hope you will try it yourself and see how it works. Like I said, I'll leave an invitation link in the description below. Go ahead and